We say it's over, but we still replay the night. I try to let go, but my phone puts up a fight. Got a memory, what you meant to me. I don't wanna.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now we are ready. We redecorated our laundry makeover. Now it's time to go ahead and decanter everything, put them in these containers, and let me remind you of the before, guys. You know before. So now that everything is done, it's time to decanter and style everything. I hope you're enjoying it and you can take away something from my laundry makeover. Organized space, I mean, organized mind. You can able to think clearly, and I hope you can enjoy this as how I love it to tape it for you guys. I will have all the containers that I use in this video link in my LTK. Maybe you might see a code popped up now and again, and so go ahead and shop. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you love your laundry, what you use in your laundry, give me some tips and tricks what you use in your laundry, and I can share mine with you guys. Love you guys. Let me know what you love about my laundry. Hi guys, welcome back to the laundry. Now it's time to go ahead and decorate. So we have all the stuff already decanted and time to add a little decor and get everything organized. So let's go. Now that we are finished, let me remind you of how the before of this thing was. Oh my goodness, this laundry is absolutely beautiful. I love everything about my laundry. And then let me know what you think. Enjoy everything. I love that everything is aesthetically pleasing and also functionable. I love my laundry. I love doing laundry in my laundry now, and I hope you loved seeing the makeover. But let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about this space? It looks so much bigger now that we have renovated it and make it our own custom laundry from the Builder Grade Laundry. And I sure to see you on the next one. Love you guys.